you saying, bro?
Reading in my crib, bro. Welcome to the London Slang Dictionary. The word of today is banging. It means that it is extremely good, tasty, hot.
What are you doing, Alex?
That banging, banging.
Are you dizzy, bruv?
No.
Sick. Welcome to our London Slang Dictionary. What does it mean when a Londoner says,
That's peak.
this is how we say something is unfortunate or bad luck?
What are you saying, bro? Why are you coming to Nando's free giveaway?
I've got to revise my maths test.
That's peak, bro.
Kinda, bruv.
You're looking fresh. bro.
A lie?
Welcome to our London Slang Dictionary. In London, we all say
Cringe.
where something is extremely awkward and embarrassing.
What are you saying, bruv? You good fam?
That was bare cringe, fam.